Hello everyone, Mr. Geislart here, and now we're going to take a look at number 3 on homework 7 for finding the slope of a tangent line. So first thing I'm going to do is fill out my limit. Since I'm looking for the slope of the line when x equals 2, that means I need to find the limit as x approaches 2. So I'm just going to put that in there. Now, what I'm going to have on bottom is just going to be x minus a. Well, a is just 2, so f of 2 there and just 2 there. So this will just be x minus 2. Then on top, I'm going to do f of x, which is negative 5x squared minus 2 minus, and then in parentheses, f of a. So here, I'm just going to put a 2 in place of x. So that'll be 5 times 2 squared, and then minus 2. So the next thing I'm going to do is simplify that top a little bit. So I have the limit as x approaches 2 of negative 5x squared minus 2, and then minus in parentheses. Now I'm going to simplify this. 2 squared is 4. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Minus 2 is going to be a negative 22. So it'll be minus a negative 22. So all of that over x minus 2. Well, minus a negative is adding the opposite, so that's like saying we have a positive 22. So I have the limit as x approaches 2 of negative 5x squared. Negative 2 plus 22 is going to be plus 20 over x minus 2. So then we're going to do the limit as x approaches 2. I have to factor out something that will give me a factor of of x minus 2 on top. So I know I'm going to have to, let me back up here. That's not entirely true. Let me back up here just a little bit. The first thing I want to do is I want to get my x squared to be a positive and just x squared. So I'm going to factor out a negative 5. When I do that, that's going to give me x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So now I'm going to do the limit as x approaches 2. So we see that we have a difference of squares here. X squared minus 4 factors into x plus 2 and x minus 2. All of that over x minus 2. So now I can cancel out my x minus 2's, and I'm left with the limit as x approaches 2 of negative 5 times x plus 2. Well, now I can just take that 2 and put it in place of x and see what I get. So negative 5 times 2 plus 2. Well, 2 plus 2 is 4 times negative 5 is a negative 20, and that is my answer.